Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix external product or affiliate product button not open when we click on buy now. So we are using external product. We added product link and when we click on buy on Amazon, so this not open Amazon page or redirect to product. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So mostly this issue occur conflict of theme or plugin. So first we are going to deactivate some plugin to check if our issue is fixed or not. Now go to plugin section. Now you see all plugin. So click on active. So we are going to deactivate some plugin. Now you see all plugin. So we are going to deactivate it. So you can deactivate plugin and then activate plugin one by one to check which plugin caused this issue. So we select plugin and then click on bulk action. Now click on deactivate and then click on apply. Now you see selected plugin deactivated. Go to external product again and refresh the page. Now again you see product and then you see buy on Amazon. So click on it. So when we click on it, then redirect. So this issue caused by plugin. And then you can activate plugin one by one to check which plugin caused this issue. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.